Here reporting live on Kaya's first day off. We are broken down on the side of the road. Car's on fire.
Car's on fire.
Car's on fire. Children get burnt. Hood's up in flames. We got a campfire. We got beer. We got each other.
Aww.
We're gonna make this day.
It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be okay. But
Stay
for
tuned.
now, stay tuned.
My name is Ryan. I'm a photographer and filmmaker from the UK. This December, I quit my job to pursue a new goal, to have the most exciting adventures, meet the coolest people, and prove that you can do the same if you wish. Armed with a camera, surfboard, and one-way ticket, the road ahead is sure to be a wild ride. Follow along as the adventure unfolds. Well, that was a failed mission. Unfortunately, Dag's car broke down and we never actually got to go kiteboarding. So, here's another adventure. That is literally one of the coolest things I've seen. This dog came right up to our car from the moment we pulled in, and the lady said, just follow the dog, he'll take you to the waterfall. And this thing has been following us the whole way. He's awesome. So this is sketchy as hell. We found this cool little jump off spot and it's slippery, and literally if I fuck up, I'm going in that water. But gotta get the shot, you right? Better ways. Here we go. Whoa, it's really slippery here. I do not want to lose $3 grand worth of camera equipment. Oh fuck! Ah! Just didn't miss a GoPro. Hell yeah, buddy. So it's another beautiful morning here in Dorado. It's my last full day before I go back to England. Palm trees and sunshine are going to be missed for a couple of weeks. But it's okay, because I'm going to be back in 2 more weeks with the Wind Voyager crew. So I'm going to pick up the rest of the guys and we're going to go on a little surf mission.
I can still remember.
Waves look small, so we're going to try it out. I want to get some really sweet water shots. I'm going to try and get that classic duck diving shot. All going well, there'll be enough waves for at least that. It's super beautiful this morning. It's clear out. We got the 2 dinghies out. We're gonna go shred and shoot, and it's gonna be friggin' awesome. Well, that shot was a little bit more tricky than I thought it was going to be. It seems like it's always the case. You see that shot in the pictures and you're like, oh, I can get that. It's not that easy at all. You got to be able to stay under. Getting all the settings right underwater is really, really tricky. I think that's going to be one to practice for another day. I want to go surfing, so I'm going to get out there. There's a tiny, teeny little wave. I got the good board, so time to go surfing on the last day. Things I think is super unique about surfing the views. There's very few places that you can actually see a really good view from the water. Behind me I've got the mountains, the trees. It's incredible, it's so peaceful and tranquil. We're sharing this moment with about 8 other people around the lineup. You don't really get that with much. Dude, thanks for the ride to the fucking airport, man. Thanks so much for the good times, dude. That was fucking incredible.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.